Ihlelweli lihlelo lesikhathi eside elikhambisana nebonelo phambili lika 2030 lokuvulwa kwamathuba wemisebenzi wasa futhi kunye nokulenga ukuqeda ukukhayela kwemisebenzi nomhlako ekhethwapha. Umnyango lokuthi uhlele ukubandula abafundi abama-36 qobe kota yomnyaka emikhakheni efana nokutshiselela insimbi, umsebenzi wegezi kunye nokufaka amaphayiphi akhambisa amanzi kunye nezinye izisetshenziswa zamanzi. Usomkhandlu uthi indawo le ayikavulela umphakathi kaMasipala wethembisile hani kwaphela kodwana yenzelwe isifunda seMpumalanga sonke begodu bazokuqinisekisa ukuthi ukuya phambili babandula abafundi abaningi ngesibalo ngombana ngamakgonofundwa abanikela ngawo ngahlayela kakhulu begodu ingasikho kwaRhulumende kwaphela kodwana nekorweni yangeqadi.
Training Academy, it's very important to say that it's not only for the community of Tembisile, it's not only for Nkangala, but it's something that's open to the province. We will be looking at an intake, but not only that intake, also more in terms of expanding them in the future as well. Because currently we had to spend a lot of money in terms of renovating the facility, in terms of making sure that we are having the necessary equipment, in terms of making sure that we are accredited to give them necessary certificates as well. So in the next intake, you will see a more increase in terms of numbers.
Ukukhuphuka kwesibalo selutjha lingasebenziko umraro omkhulu nanyana kunjalo kubonakala ingasuthi kuzokuba nomkhanyo ilutjha eliningi njenganje libonakala lingukuzithomela amabhizinisi kanti abanye sele banamabhizinisi aphumeleleko bathi banethemba lokuthi indawo le izokuletha amajuguluko kabaningi.
Susa entradeni sizokuba busy sizokuthola umsebenzi mawungekho sothoma uganga senza into ezingasi right sothoma senza ubutsotsi sigcine sejele and ijele alikho mnandi so masiphelele ejele nabantwana abancane bofunda ukuthi mele benze icrime and icrime ayisihle ngcono sisebenze ukuze ukuthi icrime iphele.
Nanyana umraro wokuqeda ukukhayela kwemisebenzi kungasiyinto engararululwa msinya nje kodwana izazi zithi zinethemba lokuthi ukuhlomisa ilutjha ngamakgonofundwa kuzokusiza.
The economy is not able to create enough jobs to accommodate everybody. So entrepreneurship is one of the routes that we think could be able to assist us in solving the unemployment crisis that we are currently facing.
Imphathimandla zithi ukuya phambili kuzokutholakala amahlelo afana nokufundela umsebenzi wokusebenzisa imitjhini emikhulu kuye nokwakhiwa kwendlela hlangana nokhunye.